Hello everybody and welcome to Formula Drift. I am Jared Gienda. We are here at Utah Motorsports campus just outside of Salt Lake City, Utah. I got something in my pocket right here. This is the all-new Hero 13 Black with the ultra-wide lens. Let's take a look at some drifting. With the ultra-wide lens, you fill the screen with all the action. A great aspect of the super wide lens is it shoots 1-to-1. So you can either fill the screen with all the action or you can crop it down. And for those that are wanting to shoot regular, not the ultra wide lens, you could use these ND filters that GoPro made. So let's change out the lens, get in the car and send it. So if you're in the realm of capturing all the POV of either in the air, on the ground, on the track, off the track, underwater, this is your answer, the GoPro Hero 13 Black, the official camera of fun.